MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides dependable heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA, helping keep your system running efficiently and reliably throughout the colder months. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing unexpected breakdowns, improving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your heating equipment. Our experienced technicians perform thorough inspections, clean essential components, and identify potential issues before they become costly repairs. Routine service also helps maintain consistent indoor comfort and lower utility bills. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA, and ensure your system is ready to perform when you need it most. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for heating maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking to keep their systems running efficiently during the colder months. Regular heating maintenance is essential for ensuring your furnace, heat pump, or boiler operates safely and reliably. How often should I schedule heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA? Heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA should typically be scheduled at least once a year, ideally before the winter season begins. Annual maintenance ensures your system is prepared for colder temperatures and increased usage. What is your heating maintenance in Pottstown, PA? Our heating maintenance has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvac.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.